In this video, I will show you how to cancel sent friend requests in Facebook. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. So let's go and do it now. Go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook now, tap on this three line at the top right side. So now scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Tap on these settings again. So under the settings now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says activity log. Tap on this activity log. Under this activity log, scroll to down and tap on this connection. Now tap on this manage friends. So under this manage friends, as you can see now, tap on this filter. After you tap on this filter, tap on this categories. So tap on this send friends request. So as you can see now, here is the list of all friend requests that I sent on Facebook. So in order for you now to delete the send friend request, all you have to do now, go back. After you go back, tap on this menu at the top right side again. So if you come to this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this friends again. After you tap on this friends, tap on this friends request. So now tap on this cancel or tap on this three dot at the top right side. So now tap on this view sent request. So as you can see now, here is the all friend request that I sent. All you have to do now, go and search for the person that you want to cancel his friend request and tap on this cancel button. As you can see now, I tap on this cancel button, it will cancel the friend request that you sent. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.